HTML's 6 real heading levels, H1 through H6, genuinely create a structural outline of a page, not just varying text sizes. In this video you'll use real headings correctly. H1 genuinely should appear once per page, the real, single most important heading, the page's actual main topic. H2 genuinely marks a real major section under the H1, one level down in the actual document outline. H3 genuinely nests under H2, real headings should descend in order, not skip levels like H1 straight to H4. H1 genuinely should appear once per page as the real main heading. Heading levels genuinely should descend in order, not skip levels. Headings build a real, genuine outline, not just visual size differences. Audit a real page of yours and confirm its headings genuinely follow correct order. Ready to structure real body text with paragraphs.